Yes, thank you. Well, I'll just tell you about me. When I came to the hooponopono, as I said, I had good enough access to consciousness, but I saw things replaying that I didn't know what to do about. So you have to know where you're at. So maybe you're beginning on your journey, that's possible, or maybe you've done a lot of practice, maybe you're a spiritual veteran at practicing. So depending on where you are, you're going to see that it really all depends how conscious you are throughout the day, right? I mean, if I'm not conscious, I don't know that things are replaying and I'm caught in the mind, believing what I'm replaying, which is probably something to do with the past, as most of us have, and maybe how we could have done better, or something we've heard in the past that we've registered we're not good at something or will never amount to anything. That's pretty much how I was raised, that I wasn't good at anything very much, you know. I'm laughing because it's funny today, but I really believe that. So it took me some time to become conscious enough throughout the day, which means to remember that you're here and that you're a breathing, living being, spirit having a human experience. So that takes an amount of practice. We have this wonderful heart breathing, which is really brilliant to reconnect with the inner you, this inner being that we are. And the minute I become conscious, straight away, I can catch if I hear or see or sense a memory replaying, So maybe for many years, maybe for many, months or weeks or days, it depends where we're at, of the mind saying, I'm not good at anything, I've never managed anything really well in my life, or I don't have talents like other people, or I'm not gifted. This is all the data, right? This is all the data replaying, drowning inspiration. And inspiration is the voice of its divine intelligence, that of which you're a fractal, in connection with all day, every day. And so it took me a number of years to regain access at all to my inner being, or that, we call it zero so really good to be aware every minute of the day as you go to work. Maybe you're in transport, maybe you're driving your car, etc., to just be aware, as often as possible, and catching the programming that says you can't change job, and you don't have any talents. None of that is true, of course. We all have so many different talents that it's time we don't have enough of to unpack it all. And maybe you're inspired to, study something new in the evening or at the weekends, or maybe you're not. Maybe you're feeling, absolutely fulfilled and satisfied with what you do. And maybe one day something comes in that you go, oh, maybe I should try that. I feel like allowing myself to try something new, and it can be a hobby to begin with. It doesn't have to be this. And suddenly you start to feel, so until you feel it, you just have to do it. To do what? To do that practice of using every second of the day, to come back to you and clean with the memories. And then it's not that hoping it's going to happen for you. It's nature that you're naturally going to perceive the inspiration that's already in you your whole life, because it's already beating your heart, filtering your blood, digesting your food, etc. It's already there, running the show for you.